Hi, my name is Oliver and I'm on the 2021 Curtin Student Survey Expedition here in Kalgoorlie. My project focuses on flying the DJI Inspire drone over the pipeline about a kilometre east and west. This drone is fitted with a Sequoia multispectral camera, which is able to pick up the position of the pipeline as well as bodies of water and the ground. And this will enable one to find any leaks in the pipeline and how the vegetation is growing around leaks in the pipeline. The multispectral camera will also be picking up red edge, green, and RGB spectral bands, which will be further processed in